morning, children. Welcome to the new term and hope all of you are fine at home. You all are safe and fine at home. So, in this term, we'll start with the first chapter, that is Human Digestive System. Before I start with this chapter, Human Digestive System, we all should know why do we need food. Children, you all know when a car is running or any automobile is running, they need some fuel in the form of petrol or diesel. Similarly, our body also needs some fuel for the working. We need some fuel for the working of our body, which we get in the form of food. Whatever food we are eating, that is the fuel for our body. It gives us energy to our body. Why do we need food? Because it gives us energy to our body. It protects us from diseases. So food, it gives us energy, protects us from diseases. It is required for growth and repair of the body. Okay, to synthesize hormones and enzymes, for that also we need food. So we get energy from food we eat. From where we are getting energy? From the food we eat. And this process, when we are eating food, our food is giving us energy, and this process of obtaining and using food is known as nutrition. Process of obtaining food and utilizing its energy is known as nutrition. So nutrition has various steps that also we'll consider later on. So when we are talking about nutrition, हमें food से क्या मिल रहा है? What we are getting from food? From food we are getting nutrients. Nutrition क्या है? Nutrition is a process, and from food we are getting nutrients. So what are nutrients? Nutrients are the chemical substances. What are nutrients? Chemical substances which nourish our body. Nourish our body, that are known as nutrients. For example, nutrients, कौन से nutrients हैं हमें पता है. We have read in our junior classes also. Carbohydrates. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स का मेन पर्पस क्या है? दे गिव एनर्जी टू द बॉडी. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स क्या करते हैं? एनर्जी फूड है. एकदम से जैसे हम लेते हैं, वी गेट द एनर्जी. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स दे गिव एनर्जी टू द बॉडी. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स कहाँ से हमें मिल रहे हैं? सोर्सेज क्या है कार्बोहाइड्रेट? शुगर्स, सीरियल्स, पोटैटो, they all are the sources of carbohydrates. And sugar is the instant source of energy. Sugar in the form of glucose. कोई you might have seen कि जो बच्चे रनिंग कर रहे हैं, एथलीट्स हैं, अगर वो फेंट हो रहे हैं, कुछ है, तो उन्हें एकदम से ग्लूकोज दिया जाता है. Why they are being given glucose? Because glucose is the instant source of energy. एकदम से एनर्जी मिलती है. Then second type of nutrients are fats. Fats, they also give energy to our body. Fats also provide energy to our body. Energy rich food, that is also energy rich food. Fats, they contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Sources क्या हैं fats के? Fats are obtained from oils, butter, ghee, vegetable oil. They are the sources of fats. तो carbohydrates, fats, ये सब क्या है? They are nutrients जो हमारी body को nourish करेंगे. Now next third type of nutrients is proteins. Okay, proteins को हम they help in growth. Proteins किस चीज में help करते हैं? Growth में. Proteins helps in the growth of the body. ठीक है। और प्रोटीन का मेन सोर्स क्या है? पल्सेस। जितनी भी दालें हम खा रहे हैं, दे आर द रिच सोर्सेज ऑफ प्रोटीन्स फॉर वेजिटेरियंस। अदरवाइज एग, ओके, एग, मिल्क, फिश, they all are sources of proteins. Next we have vitamins. Vitamins क्या हैं? Vitamins, what are vitamins? They are protective food. Okay? ये इनका मेन पर्पस क्या है कि हमें डिजीजेस से प्रोटेक्ट करना. Their main purpose is to protect us from diseases. Their main purpose is to protect us from diseases. So they are known as protective foods. Vitamins क्या हैं? They are protective foods. They protect us from diseases. बहुत सारे अलग अलग vitamins हैं. विटामिन A, B, C, D, E. ओके, इनकी जब डेफिशिएंसी होती है बॉडी के अंदर, जब कमी होती है, तब क्या होता है? There are some diseases. They are known as vitamin deficiency diseases. So what we have read, what is nutrition? प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग फूड एंड यूटिलाइजिंग इन आवर बॉडी. हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी मिले, उस पूरे प्रोसेस को हम क्या कह रहे हैं? न्यूट्रिशन. और ये सब क्या है? दे आर न्यूट्रिएंट्स. न्यूट्रिएंट्स मतलब क्या है? न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो हमारी बॉडी को नरिश कर रहे हैं. सो टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स: कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स, विटामिन्स एंड प्रोटीन्स. नेक्स्ट न्यूट्रिएंट इज मिनरल्स. मिनरल्स क्या हैं? दे आर नोन एज बैलेंसिंग फूड. मेन पर्पस क्या है मिनरल्स का? दे ऑल्सो हेल्प इन द ग्रोथ, बट they are being required in very less quantity. They are being required in very less quantity. Example: fluorine, calcium, phosphorus, etc. They are being required in less quantity. For example, calcium is being required for teeth, for the bones, for growth of the bones. Okay, so they are being required in very less quantity, whereas other nutrients, they are being required in large quantity. Fats, proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, they are being required in large quantity. They are known as macronutrients, and which are being required in small quantity, they are known as micronutrients. So हमारे पास micronutrient कौन सा है? Mineral. Mineral is a micronutrients, whereas fats, proteins, carbohydrates, they are macronutrients and minerals are micro. मैक्रो का मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा. ऐसे न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में रिक्वायर्ड है, दे आर मैक्रो. और जो बहुत कम रिक्वायर्ड है, दे आर नोन एज micronutrients. So children, we should know the difference between macronutrients and the micronutrients.